How to see yourself when you talk on Zoom for Windows. When you talk on Zoom, you do not see yourself. You usually see the last person who has talked or some random person. But what if you want to see on the speaker view yourself when you talk? What can you do? Zoom has an option for this. To do this, just open Zoom. You need to have an account on Zoom to set up these settings, so log in with your account on Zoom like I have here. Now click on the Settings button. If you do not see this button, click on the profile icon and from the menu select Settings. From the left, select Video. Scroll down and you will see an option here, See myself as the active speaker while speaking. Check that box. Now you can close the settings. When you enter a meeting and you will talk now, Zoom will show your camera. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.